Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you customize the template view for your mobile devices. So on the mobile devices, if you go to a section, you can see we have mobile layout options. Also for the block, if you go to any block and you can see we have a column option for the mobile. That is only available in our template only. And also, if you go to the list style, you can see we have labeled some option with mobile. These options only applied for the mobile device. Okay. So all you need to discover every section and find the mobile view. So if I change the view to mobile and if go to the section, currently the headings, the text is left aligned, and for the mobile, I want to make this one center aligned. To do this, we need to go to the typography or need to desktop. Oh, sorry, we need to go to the mobile layout, and you can see we can hide this block, and we have some spacing option, outside spacing and inside spacing, and text alignment. Okay, then these are center aligned. This is how every block and section have specific options that is on available for mobile. When you edit a section or a block for mobile, you need to be clear few things. First, when you edit a section, for example, if you change the size, you can see we have two options. One is labeled with mobile. So that's mean you can change the s- size for the mobile too. But if you hide this one on the mobile view, it does not matter. It will hide on mobile desktop version too. So you will only edit the item for the mobile that is labeled with mobile. Okay. You need to identify these items. Same for the call to actions. You will need to find the item that is labeled with mobile. Also, we have some option that is labeled at desktop layout and mobile layout. And this type of settings also available for sections. This is the common thing that you need to follow to make sure your mobile device layout is optimized for mobile. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.